Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer brown sugar chicken thighs. It's an easy dinner recipe that takes under 30 minutes to make, and the skin comes out so crispy and delicious. For the ingredients, you'll need 4 chicken thighs, olive oil, brown sugar, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Start by rubbing cooking oil onto the inside of the air fryer basket. Next, preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 22 minutes. To a small bowl, go ahead and add the olive oil, brown sugar, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Stir until well blended and then set that aside. Next, pat the chicken thighs dry with a paper towel. Add the chicken thighs to a bowl. Add the seasoning mixture to the bowl, and then toss until the chicken thighs are well coated. Next, add the chicken to the air fryer, skin down, and air fry for 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, flip the chicken thighs, and then cook for an additional 7 to 8 minutes until the chicken thighs are crispy and the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're done, go ahead and let them cool for 3 minutes and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.